Hi, today me and my little brother are going to unboxing the Elmer's collection slime kit for the first time. So this is how it looks like. Here there's all the solutions, and at the back is the recipe of how to be making the slime. And here you have all the glues that are in your box. You're going to need a spoon and a bowl, and you're going to be needing containers. I'm going to be using 2 containers because me and my brother are doing it together. Hi! Okay, so let's unbox this. Oh my god. So here we have the Elmer's magic liquid, which is the activator. Here we have the metallic slime activator, which is a magic liquid. And here we've got the Elmer's magic liquid confetti slime activator, which is a magic liquid as well. And then here we've got the glue. Oh my god, oh my god. Here's the Elmer's metallic glue. Here's the Elmer's clear school glue. And here's the Elmer's washable color glue. Hi! So here are the things. Here are the glues, and here are the magic liquids. Okay. So right now we're going to start by putting the metallic glue or any type of Elmer's glue inside the bowl. So it looks so nice. Okay, I guess that's enough. I'll try to add some more off camera. Yeah, later. So I'm going to be making the confetti slime, and my brother is going to be doing the glow-in-the-dark slime. So now, since we have put the metallic slime, this is how my metallic glue looks like, and this is my brother's. It's clear glue, and now we're going to be putting the activators. So this is my activator, and my brother's activator is this one. So it says here, take out 65 grams of bottle of Elmer's glue magical liquid. Make sure to shake it for the best results. Okay, so first shake it. Okay, so first shake it. Okay, now put just a little bit and then mix. Just a little bit. Oh my god, that looks so nice. I do. 3 dots. I put 3 dots. I put 3 dots. This actually is forming to a slime. I put 3 dots. And it will work. If it doesn't, I'll be angry. Whoa, it's forming. I think I should put some more. Keep on mixing. Did you feel like it's good enough? The slime. So this is my slime. It looks better than my sister's, yeah? And now I'm mixing it by the look of it. Guys, I don't think it's slime. You need to be putting some more activator? Yeah. No, that's not your activator. The one there on your side. That's the metallic one. So guys, maybe I'm going to be making the other glue, the metallic slime. Oops, I put a lot. Or maybe I'm going to be making it off camera, and then in my next video I can show you how it looks like. I put a lot, I think. Just mix it. Now I mix it. Just like what my sister said. Mix slime. Do you think it's becoming into slime? I need to put my sleeves up. So now we're gonna see if it's gonna really glow in the dark. Oh my god, it's glowing in the dark! Wow. It's so nice. Looks nice. So now we're going to be putting it in the container. Make sure it doesn't break. This slime is so sticky. Guys, if you feel like your slime is too sticky, you can either put activator, or if you're okay with it, it's okay. I feel like this is okay enough. Guys, comments down below. No, the comments are turned off. Oh, sorry. If you can, later, you can comment if you like mine or my sister's. If you like my brother's slime, then like this video down below. Or if you would like to like the video just randomly, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Bye!